Hi guys, I'm Raunak. Adam Copeland, formerly known as Edge, the rated R superstar left for Tony Khan's AEW after a highly decorated career in the Stamford-based company. Edge stated that AEW's contract offer allowed him to work a full-time schedule and that he proceeded to sign with the Jacksonville-based promotion because he wanted to tell more stories on a regular basis. So in this video, I'll mention 8 reasons why Edge did leave the WWE company. So let's get started without wasting any time. Edge gave 25 years of his life to WWE. He joined the promotion during the Attitude Era, gained recognition as a tag team specialist, and solidified his legacy as a WrestleMania pay-per-view main eventer. His championship catalog included multiple title reigns, Money in the Bank, and Royal Rumble victories in WWE company. On top of that, Adam Copeland capped off his WWE career with a spectacular match against Sheamus on the August 18 episode of SmackDown. The rated R superstar and his fans couldn't have asked for a better send-off as he bid goodbye to his longtime promotion in his home country of Canada. The list of opponents Edge faced during his WWE career is virtually endless. The 49-year-old had career-defining feuds with some of the biggest stars in the company. He and Christian formed the legendary tag team Trinity with the Hardy Boys and the Dudleys during the Attitude Era. He joined that blue brand after the first WWE Draft Lottery in 2002 and was subsequently made part of the iconic SmackDown. Throughout his WWE career, Adam Copeland wrestled and defeated the likes of John Cena, The Undertaker, Batista, Randy Orton, and Mick Foley, to name a few. Edge was forced to retire due to a series of nagging injuries in 2011. WWE honored him in the grandest ways by putting him in the Hall of Fame, joining the likes of Stone Cold Steve Austin and former rivals Mick Foley and Ric Flair. He waited 9 years before making his epic comeback at 2020 Royal Rumble pay-per-view. He returned set the edge for the epic feuds against the current WWE roster, which includes Seth freaking Rollins, Finn Balor, AJ Styles, Damian Priest, to name a few. Eric Bischoff stated in the Build to WrestleDream that Christian Cage would be the reason behind Edge's AEW signing. Eric Bischoff's words came true as the rated R superstar confronted his former tag team partner at WrestleDream. Of course, it will take weeks for the two rivals to finally meet one-on-one. No matter the heights on as-ifs, monotony can set in over time. The allure of a fresh start in a new environment can be rejuvenating. AEW offers Edge the canvas to paint new stories, forge new rivalries, and reinvent himself creatively. Stepping away from the familiarity of WWE's routine might be just the breath of fresh air Edge needs to invigorate his career and capture the hearts of a new generation of the fans. Being part of something revolutionary and watching it grow from its infancy is an opportunity few can resist. AEW, with its emphasis on fresh concepts, innovative storytelling, and an alternative to the WWE formula, presents an exciting prospects for Edge. Contributing his experience and creativity to shaping a new promotion could rekindle his passion for the sport and allow him to leave an incredible mark on the industry once again. The bonds forged within the wrestling fraternity are often unbreakable, and Edge's camaraderie with several AEW roster members might prove irresistible. Chief among them is his longtime friend and fellow Canadian Chris Jericho. Their history both in and out of the ring creates an intriguing narrative that could lead to reviving storylines. The prospect of reuniting with friends turned rival or allies could be a compelling motivation for Edge to make the switch. Edge's journey in WWE company is a testament to resilience and determination. From humble beginnings, he rose to the pinnacle of the company, capturing numerous championships and etching his name in the annals of the wrestling history. However, as with any successful story, there comes a point where new challenges are needed. Edge's storied career in WWE has left few mountains left to climb. The hunger for fresh rivalries and uncharted territories could drive him towards AEW, a promotion teeming with untapped potential. In considering these reasons, it's crucial to acknowledge that the decision to leave WWE for AEW is not to one Edge would take lightly. The wrestling world is marked by passion, dedication, and a profound connection with the fans. Edge's journey from the highs of championship victories to the lows of career-threatening injuries has been etched into the collective memory of the WWE Universe. However, change is an inevitable force, and the wrestling landscape has been its fair share of seismic shifts. The rise of AEW itself is a testament to the appetite for alternative to the WWE product. The promotion has successfully carved a niche by offering a blend of athletic prowess, engaging storytelling, and a willingness to push boundaries. So guys, what do you think on Edge? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then leave a like, hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell. I'll be back with a new interesting video. Check the other videos. Thanks for watching this one. See you.